Hi everyone, it's Kara and it's time for our Monday meal. We are making quick and super easy chicken and dumplings recipe, but we're making it gluten-free and we're making it from the All Recipes Dinner Spinner app, so I will link the recipe below. So easy. So we've got 1 box of organic chicken bone broth, 2 cans of already cooked chicken breast in here, and we had to bring that to a boil, which as you can see, it is. Then we're supposed to start adding the dough. So the dough is here. It is made of, it's supposed to be 2 1/4 cups of baking mix like Bisquick. I use gluten-free Bisquick, but I didn't have 2 1/4 cups. I had about 2 cups. So then you're supposed to use 2/3 a cup of milk. I used less than that. I just used it till it formed this dough that I'm going to use. So I used Oatly, oat milk, dairy-free. So we are making gluten-free, dairy-free, quick and super easy chicken and dumplings, and literally we're done. So now I just take the dumplings, form them into whatever shape you want, flat, or make them into a ball. Some people like that. My husband likes the flat ones. But I grew up with the round ones, so, you know, whatever you want, whatever floats your boat. But you make them, you put them into the broth here. Once you get all of them in there and you stir them so you can get some of them down lower into the broth, you lower the heat to medium heat, cover it and boil for about 10 minutes, stirring occasionally is what it says, and then they're good to go. So I'm gonna finish putting all of these little dumplings in there and then boil it for 10 minutes and show you what the finished product looks like. All right, it is finished. 10 minutes on medium heat and it is done. Quick and super easy, gluten-free and dairy-free chicken and dumplings. And by the way, I tasted them and they are very tasty. I thought, well, all it's got in there is chicken stock and the dumpling mix, so it's probably not gonna have any flavor, but it does. The bone broth is enough, it flavors it. So it tastes really good. So I highly recommend it.